Hi guys, I just want to say thank you for over 2K views on that video that I made, and just want to say thank you for that and all the nice supportive comments. So I just want to give a shout out to everyone who commented nice things, like even though you're little, I like your content or whatever, that does not offend me at all. That actually makes me feel good. Those comments made my day better. And my friend just notified me, saying yesterday that, oh my gosh, you have 2K views or something like that. And I was shocked, and that made my day way better. So right now, you're probably wondering, what am I doing? I will be doing a fidget toy haul of me and my sister's fidgets. So we have 2 bins. We have this bin. Oh my gosh, my snappers. My mom found that, I guess. And yeah. Start with bin number 1. When I'm done, I also might making an organizing video. So we're gonna start in here. So first we have a homemade snappers. Sometimes it can be hard to click. Sometimes it can. Oh my god, can be easy to click. Okay, let's put that aside. Next we have a Peapod keychain. Okay, next we have this thing. Oh my god, how do I open it? You open it and then you close it. It's not that fun, but whatever. Next we have a tangle, super fun. I love the colors. Then we have my 2 fidget bracelets. This one you roll the beads and you can squish it and mold it. This one you move the beads, you roll the beads, and you can transform this. Also, it's losing hair. Whatever. Next we have this bike chain. I love bike chains, but surprisingly guys, if you don't see any marble mesh, I don't have any, but I could always go and get one real quick from my fidget business, but whatever. Next bin, oh wait, are we done with this? Yeah, we are. Okay, next we have this bin. First thing I pull out is a yellow pop tube in a circle, so let me put this out. So right now I'm actually going to be holding the camera by my legs, so if it's weird camera angle, that's why. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Next I'm going to pull out this squishy. It's pretty cool. Next thing I see is this blue infinity cube. It is super good and super fun. Next we have a poo squishy. Love it. Bird squishy. Unicorn squishy. Infinity cube. It's a little heavy though. Stress ball. Just gonna put things back. Bear squishy. Christmas mochies. The rest is just squishies. And yeah. Next is the poppet area. First we have, I'm just gonna take all the poppets I can out. Oh my god, that is honestly sort of a lot of poppets. Okay, first octopus. I hate it. Well, I don't hate it, but it's super hard to push down. Ugh, it's really hard. Next we have this apple poppet. I actually got it from my friend for fidget trading with her. I traded her I think an infinity cube and a bike chain, and I received this poppet, and I think it was overall a really nice trade. Next I have this crab poppet. It's super easy to push down, and you could also get this poppet in my website. So yeah, order from it, and then you could be receiving this poppet for free if you order. Anyways, so black circle poppet. I got this from the only, we all know who, Miss Bench. Fun to play with. Next, I have the 2 circle puppets. These are actually my first ever fidget, so yeah, that's a fun fact. But this is, one of them is my sister and one of them is mine. Here's the easy side. Good ASMR, but it's also textured. If you can see those little mouses, yeah. Next we have a lobster puppet. You can actually go get these in your shop, but also the purple octopuses you could also get in my shop. I actually really like the easy side though. Let me get to it real quick. The easy side is still hard, but I actually still like that. It's like easy hard. Next I have this, super soft overall. And you can also get this in our shop, but I also like pulling the antennas, like they're textured and they feel really good. Next thing we have is a dimple. Oh my god. How did that happen? Okay, there we go. A dimple. I love it. After that, we have my favorite, mini poppet. I actually cut a poppet to get this, and it's a perfect mini poppet. Yep. Also, comment videos. Okay, next we're gonna go in there. First, we have this puzzle ball. I don't 100% really like it. Anyways, if you start watching this, I just want to say thank you. Next, we have a wacky crack. Wacky crack, wacky crack. Another purple pop tube. I'm not going to pop it because it sounds the same as the yellow. After that, we have the pink. This actually, pink one, isn't broken at all. Oh. Anyways, that was just like a popping of a poppet that was pressing down, and I heard my mom screaming because I was being too loud. I was popping a poppet as I was doing this. Anyway. So if we get an extra poppet for this. Track pieces, not that cool. Okay. Rubik's Cube is our next thing. Then we have 2X. Why does it in? Rainbow is this. This is 2X of this. Then we have Tangle. A water timer. And yep. And that's all for this bin. That took a while to get through. Next in our navigator bin, we have the Dino Poppet. I love it. You can also get this in our shop. Go shop Fidgets now. Order if you don't understand it. Next thing we have is this. Fun. After that we have a snappers. I also got this from Miss Ben. I also got the pop tubes from her. Something I love doing is like getting it stuck. So like let's wait for it to get stuck. Once it gets stuck, I pop it on the other side and it makes the loudest ever noise. Then we have the rainbow poppet. Get these at our shop. They're almost sold out. Get them while you can. After that, we have a duck squishy. Yes, I am obsessed with squishies. Then I have this squishy. Then I have this cat squishy. Then I have this croissant squishy. This might be my favorite squishy. It's so squishy, and I love the details. Yeah. I think I already showed you a bread. Didn't I? Yeah. I showed you a bread. Oh, wait. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did. I don't know. Then we have this squishy. This is also love it. Then we have my idea. I like doing things like. So I like pulling apart the computer sometimes. And yeah. So we have this stress ball. have this dog. Then we have this big squishy. After that, we have an infinity cube, a wacky track, a bike chain. I'm going fast because we're running out of time. Then we have this, really cool. Get that on the website. Then we have this. Yeah, whatever. And we have, at least this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Oh wait, I forgot. And this tangle, yeah. And then the rest is the PPE from the Jump Rope for a Heart Challenge. Really cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!